The good news is that our team actually interacts really well. Our web director and creative director actually sit probably about 10 feet apart. Every day they meet and talk about designs. They walk over, they showcase the desks. Our internet marketing director and content director, even though they're remote, still meet with each other on Slack and show concepts around. It really is a team environment when the project starts. When the project starts, we get all 4 directors together, internet marketing, content, dev, and design, and they get together and they start planning out the project. It starts with the site structure, the big idea for the project, what pages should and shouldn't be on the site, what are the client's likes, dislikes. We then move into a wireframe and branding board of what colors should we use, what logos should we use, what is the big idea for the messaging. We then move into the actual design of the site and showcase the home pages and sub pages of what it's going to look like, and it's customized. We keep going back and forth until it's perfect for the client, and then we transition over to the dev and they actually make it work. And that takes quite a while. It can take several weeks to get the project going, but we then finalize the development. The nice thing about us is we do an internal QA to start off with, and so when we do the internal QA, we have Alan, and he's great. He goes through this site page by page, line by line, looks at all the content, makes sure it matches perfectly the design concept. He tests it out on mobile, tests it on tablet, he tests it on desktop, of course, various browsers. If he finds issues, he brings it to the development team. In fact, sometimes the development team does not like him because he's pointing out errors, but it's good. It catches everything before it actually hits the client, which is cool. And what happens then is the client gets back a better build. It's not perfect, it's still a beta, just like anything. There are going to be minor things the client wants to change. Sometimes attorneys leave, sometimes they come online during the build process. Sometimes new pages need to be added. Sometimes things just don't quite look right when we plan it out when it comes to creation. And what we want to do is create it, send them the testing link so they can take a look at it. And when they look at it, they can then preview it using a tool we like, which is called BugHerd. They can actually mark things online and say, all right, this is off by 5 pixels, this needs to be a little more green, this page needs to be killed, and then we go from there.